gare ga setšhaba ka moo nna le wena a ke nyako bona divorce re neo mo letsogong a e tloge thego ya lena ge le kgonne go tla go mpona le mosadi wa ko mo botse kere ke leboga support ya lena ka boka lethego wa lena e le kgonne go tla gore support ka mogolo ke thagedi gore ka re ke tea mosadi wa leburu
Guys, I'm officially married. Marafa, what's the chon? I'm officially married.
When?
Yebo.
To who?
Brawil, of course.
Oh, okay. Kwana Mrs.
Mujahat. Mujantlizio.
Now ring.
And I can open al kadlunes ne.
Ring.
For I'm officially married.
Yes.
I'm happily married. What's the Mara?
Mara si chushata.
Umponor bagia berry.
Ne.
Very bina step. So am I still not married because of I'm married?
Hello there you guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video. So currently trending on TikTok, on South African TikTok, or let me say Limpopo TikTok and Facebook would have to be, of course, this taboo wedding between two children, you guys. Yes, you heard it right. Of course, we do know Belinda's daughter, Umimi, who is only 10 years. She got married. She tied the knot to Brawili, who is also 10 years old, you guys. And at first, we thought it was just, a joke and stuff. We know that they created content around this whole Mjolo thing, even though they young, even though Isalabana, they created content based on Umjolo. And a few weeks back, they started talking about marriages. And of course, people on social media were laughing it off, thinking, oh, there's absolutely no ways. They were just, joking and trolling around. Khante Belinda, the mother, and Willy's mother have something planned out. We thought that they were joking when they say that the kids are going to get married. And over the weekend, this past weekend, we did see clips of that weddings trending on all social media platforms, you guys. Now, Mimi's mother is a lady who once trended last year. She is the very hungry lady. Her name is Belinda. You remember there was this lady who did a video that she was trapped ko Durban July. She didn't have money to come back. Her blesser had left her stranded there. Belinda, yes, the very same Belinda who then created content with Tsaka RSA when she was in bed. And it seems like people were just mising her off. So she started creating content with her daughter, Mimi, and people are kind of loving that content until she pulled this stunt, the wedding, which is probably something that left a lot of people shocked, basically. To what extent is this lady going to stop, with this whole trending thing? I mean, Mimi's only 10 years old. something so big. What do you guys think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video and to make sure that you do share as so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.